And it's me, Lauren, the influencer manager, and we're all checked in. Look at all these palettes. So y'all see the show, but y'all don't see this part. So this part is preparing, taking all the palettes back. We're gonna be giving away the pink glitter totes, which everybody loves. And we're giving away the Bestie Kit, which has our famous and infamous curl maker and our Curl Love Moisture Milk. So make sure you come see us. We're booth 403, right? 431. 431. So we're at 431. So by the time you see us, you'll be able to come see us. But at least you'll see the behind the scenes on how we created this whole entire experience. Kitchen set up. We have Milan, which is our event extraordinaire. She's been coordinating getting everything together. We have our Rosette volunteers all here working hard. We have my girl Kaari. That is our marketing coordinator. And so y'all, we're setting the booth, getting ready for the first day tomorrow here in Orlando, Florida. I'm gonna take y'all through, give y'all behind the scenes. We're gonna fill that with products. So we're getting the Bestie Kits pulled out, get it all set up. So everybody's setting up. I love it. Oh, that's cool with all the purple. This is what it takes behind one of these shows. This is the prep that you guys don't see.
How can I explain myself?
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Something gotta cut up to you. Yeah.
Yesterday was busy, but it was the stores. So now we're ready for big events.
I'm going to take you with me to Ulta Beauty World with Camille Rose, woman founded and black owned. Amazing products for us curly girls, and I have to say, I think we won because we had 2 full-size items. Ulta Beauty World definitely blew me away because there are so many different vendors and games and things to collect and people to see. I saw a lot of familiar faces, and that really made the trip that much more special. This honestly was a great way for the girlies to see what products that they want to add into their daily roster. So definitely stay tuned for that. They also had ear piercings, which I was like, duh, and even permanent jewelry too. Some products were full size, some were testers, and some just really shocked me, like having caviar. What? Each company was just allowed 1 brand ambassador, so I was so happy that Camille Rose chose me. And trust, those tickets did not come out the 3,000 tickets they sold. I've been using their curl defining gel for years, and I'm so excited to dig into my new goodies with Camille Rose.